One of the worlds on this screen kills you in under 1 second, and it is not the one you think. This is Cosmion. Point it at any question in the universe, and it will show you the answer, whether you can bear it or not. Tonight, we point it at our own back garden, and we ask an honest question. If you were dropped onto every planet in the solar system, one by one, how long would each of them let you live? The rules are simple. You arrive as you are. No suit, no ship. The clock starts the moment you appear. 8 planets, ranked from the kindest killer to the fastest. Number 8. Mars. Mars is the gentlest executioner we have. The air is 100 times too thin to breathe, and it is carbon dioxide anyway. The pressure is so low that your saliva would boil at body temperature, not from heat, from the vacuum. You get about 20 seconds of consciousness. The cold and the vacuum finish the job in roughly 2 minutes. 2 whole minutes. In this lineup, that is mercy. That is why every plan to leave Earth points here. The most survivable murder in the solar system. Number 7. Mercury. Mercury offers you a choice of deaths. The day side is 430 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. The night side is minus 180, and a single day there lasts 176 Earth days. So whichever side you land on, no rescue is coming with the sunrise. But the real killer is the nothing. No atmosphere at all. Stand on the line between day and night, and the vacuum still takes you in about 90 seconds. A tidy grave though, with no air and no weather, your body would lie unchanged on that surface for millions of years. Number 6. Saturn. The most beautiful killer in the solar system has no flaw. There is nothing to stand on. Saturn is so light it would float in a bathtub if you could find one big enough. That will not help you. You simply start falling through cloud decks colder than anything on Earth. Minus 140 degrees, no oxygen, and winds that would strip the skin from an aircraft, unconscious in seconds, gone in about a minute. And you would keep falling long after it mattered, thousands of kilometers down into the crush. The rings watch, they do not care. Number 5. Uranus. The coldest atmosphere of any planet, minus 224 degrees at its worst, colder than Neptune, despite sitting closer to the sun. The books call it an ice giant, and the books are being polite. The cold alone flash freezes your lungs from the inside, 45 seconds roughly, and that is being generous. Uranus rolls around the sun on its side, drowning in a fog it has kept for 4 billion years. You would be the most interesting thing that ever happened to it. Number 4. Neptune. Everything Uranus does, Neptune does harder, just as cold. And then there is the wind. 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. The strongest winds ever measured on any world. You would not fall through Neptune. You would be shredded across it. Half a minute, torn apart by weather. The most violent sky in the solar system belongs to the quietest looking planet. Number 3. Jupiter. Jupiter is the only planet that kills you before you arrive. It is wrapped in radiation belts that would hand you a lethal dose on the way in. You would be dead of radiation poisoning while still in space, falling toward those beautiful storms. NASA's Juno spacecraft keeps its electronics locked inside a titanium vault just to survive orbiting here. And if you were somehow shielded, the fall goes down forever, into pressure that turns hydrogen gas into liquid metal. Jupiter does not have a surface, it has a verdict. The king of the planets kills you twice, just to be sure. Number 2. Earth. Surprised? Wait. Earth is the only world on this list that lets you live. Survival time, a lifetime. But be honest with yourself. Volcanoes, hurricanes, earthquakes, disease, other people. Earth kills more humans than every other planet combined. It is just patient about it. The only S-tier world for staying alive, and the only one that has ever actually killed anyone. Hold both of those thoughts. Which leaves number 1. And if 2 minutes on Mars was mercy, this is the opposite of mercy. 465 degrees day and night, pole to pole, hotter than Mercury, despite being twice as far from the sun. An atmosphere so heavy it presses down like a kilometre of ocean. Its clouds do rain acid, but the rain never lands. It boils away before it can touch the ground. The pressure crushes you. The heat cooks you. The clouds are sulfuric acid. All of it happens at once, in about 1 second. 1 second. You would not even finish being surprised. And here is the fact that should settle any argument. The toughest machine humanity ever sent there, an armored Soviet lander built like a submarine, survived 127 minutes. Then Venus ate it too. So look up tonight and understand what the evening star really is. The brightest, prettiest light in our sky is the fastest killer we have ever found. Beauty, it turns out, is the universe's favorite disguise. The lens has shown you the whole neighborhood. Now argue with it. Tell me in the comments which ranking you would change, and point the lens wherever you want it to look next. Its next target is already waiting in the dark,